Hello. Today let's talk about the Siemens EQ.6 Plus. In this case it's an S400. On the market are different types of EQ6 Plus models, like the S100, like S700, S400. The difference is the color, of course, and only little changes. But in the entire way, the devices are nearly the same. The dimensions of these appliances are 385 to 281 to 468 millimeters. We have one bean container. The capacity of the fresh bean container is 300 grams. We have no cup heater, so we have to perform this by using the hot water. To switch this device on, push on the left bottom side the on and off switch. Then the appliance will boot and it's ready for you to make some delicious beverage. We have an integrated milk system with a hose. We can make cappuccino, latte macchiato, white coffee, and so many more. We have less bitter testing with extra strong coffee thanks to the aromaDouble shot, the double grinding and brewing process. A fully automatic steam cleaning and optimal hygiene thanks to autoMilk clean. We grind the perfect aroma out of every bean and long life guarantee with cream drive. And you can see it's really easy for maintenance. The only thing is we have to pull out this tray and we can clean it so easy and fast. We have coffee making has never been easier thanks to this awesome screen on top of the machine, and it is in color, as you can see. It is an intuitive coffee select display. Optimum preparation and perfect taste thanks to the seamless technology of the aroma system. And really awesome is the extra strong coffee aromaDouble shot. We can now get extra strong coffee. And the only thing we have to do is dip the bones on top in it and fill up the water tank. With the aromaDouble shot function, the two single espressos are ground and brewed as opposed to one large espresso. This automatic process ensures that there is no bitter aftertaste, as less water means that less bitterness is released, ensuring that only the best of the beans make it into our cup. And the beans are ready to get in if you choose the right beans, good quality beans, no sugar beans, only coffee beans, roasted coffee beans. You can dip them into the upper tank and the device will do everything for you. Up now. And automatic milk cleaning. That's really cool. The preparations are really good. Aromatic coffee specialized is a delight. Cleaning your milk system isn't. Which is why Siemens developed the autoMilk Clean. This fully automatic steam cleaning system activates after every drink, ensuring perfect hygiene and relieving us of having to clean the milk system every day. We have to clean the milk system, I think once a month. That's enough. I think so. And how you can perform this, you can see this on my channel. And this appliance is good for pre-grounded coffee too. It's really easy. On the right side, you have a clamp. There can insert up to two really nice spoons of pre-ground coffee. And then you can make pre-ground coffee free and fresh in your appliance here. The milk residue simply doesn't get a chance to develop, allowing us to just sit back and enjoy a great cup of coffee. And finally ground with a full of flavor. This is Kiran Drive. The high-quality carom drive grinder grinds the coffee beans to a very even consistency, allowing all the different notes to develop during the brewing process for an exceptionally aromatic coffee experience. Unlike steel grinders, the ceramic is very robust and stays sharp for longer. The meaning long-lasting premium quality coffee is guaranteed, and you can make awesome espresso with it. And so many more coffee. Thanks to the coffee select display, the perfect coffee experience starts the moment we switched on the machine. The large user interface presents an inviting selection of aromatic coffee and milk specialties that can be accessed by simply touching the sensor controls, making us coffee experience as seamless as possible. In the EQ.6 Plus, it's on the front side. In the EQ.500 version, it is on the top side of the appliance. And favorites. Coffee as we like it at the touch of a button. Small, strong and black, or large, milled and with perfect milk foam. Coffee enjoyment is a simple matter of personal taste. Thanks to favorites, we can save our individual preferences for coffee and milk specialties and access them at any time. Simply select the desired coffee strength, the cup size, the temperature, and the milk quantity, and the coffee will always come out with these preferred settings at the touch of a button. And look at this awesome espresso, which this device made for us. It looks nice with the creamer on top of it. It looks so delicious and it's so easy to choose on that screen. It's intuitive to use it. Go to espresso, choose the beans, choose the size, and choose start. Job's done. And after a couple of seconds, there will come out an awesome coffee, like this espresso. Or you make a latte espresso. That's for the milk system too possible, no problem. And the aroma system, it's perfect to play for perfect taste. Thanks to the aroma system, the Siemens fully automatic espresso machines ensure always the best quality for any beverage. It is an elaborate, intertwined system where all components seamlessly work together to guarantee one ultimate goal: our enjoyment. And hygienic and comfort is a guaranteed removal of a brewing unit. For hygienic cleaning, the brewing unit is easy to remove. Rinse under the running water and then replace. And it's really easy. On the right back side of the pillars, we can open a little cover, and underneath that cover, you will see an easy removing brewing unit. Then you can remove it and clean it. Get it back in position, job's done. This ensures constant good taste and it prolongs the lifetimes. So we can get back to savoring the pure aroma of the finest coffee specialties. And it's so delicious. We have flavor, aromaDouble shot, extra strong coffee without compromise in aroma. We have a cup size 5 level adjustment. 2 cup selection option for espresso coffee. Prepare 2 cups simultaneously. And removable 1.7 liter water tank. And we have creamer drive with a ceramic grinding unit. A one-touch coffee milk specialties with especially fine poured milk froth thanks to an innovative milk frother. And it looks really cool. And it reduced the heat up time. Fastest first cup. Water pump with 15 bar pressure. Separate container for pre-ground coffee too. And an automatic off settings. The appliance automatically switched off after a preset time. We have a removable brewing unit. It's really easy. And hygienic cleaning under running water. And an automatic quick rinse program when switched on or off. And a steam blast. Fully automatic steam cleaning of the milk system after every beverage. And all milk nozzle parts are easy to remove. superbly, easy to clean and dishwasher proof too. And with a removable drip tray, including container for the coffee grounds. And in fully automatic descaling and cleaning programs. And a bean container with aroma preserving lid for up to 300 grams. And adjustable grind settings. Multi-level, baby. Different display languages are available. A child lock. A cable storage compartment. The cable length is 1 meter. And 1500 watt power. What is that? That is awesome. Then this is the best full automatic coffee machine I have so far. Really. This is the full automatic coffee machine, which you can choose really easy. You can control it so easy. You can make espresso, cafe crema, latte espresso. You can make cappuccino, latte macchiato. You can make milk coffee. You can make tea. You can make milk, hot milk. You can make hot water, and so many more. Cafe Americano too, of course. This all brings you the fully automatic coffee machine from the EQ.6 Plus series to you at home. And I like it really much because it's easy, fast, and delicious. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.